What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at memories, semiconductor memories. Semiconductor memories are basically memory elements in semiconductor devices. Now here you can see the classifications: ROM, that is read-only memory; RAM, random access memory; sequential memory; and CAM is content addressable memory. Okay, now ROM has classifications: PROM, EPROM, E2PROM, flash memory, and also MAC-ROM. Now first of all, let's go ahead and see what is non-volatile and volatile. Non-volatile is basically it retains the memory even if there's no power, but read only this volatile memory, it will erase all the content will evaporate if there's no power. Okay, that's the difference. It will retain even the power is gone, but this will evaporate. For RAM, it will evaporate if there's no power. Now ROM has 4 classifications: PROM, EPROM, E2PROM, flash memory, and MAC-ROM. PROM means programmable random access read-only memory, and EPROM is electrically programmable read-only memory. E2PROM is electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, and flash memory MAC-ROM. And in random access memory we have SRAM, DRAM. SRAM is static RAM and DRAM is dynamic RAM. Now let's look at the SRAM. SRAM has 2 classifications: asynchronous SRAM and synchronous SRAM. Asynchronous SRAM means going separately with system clock, and synchronous burst SRAM is basically the RAM that go with the system clock, going along with the system clock. And DRAM has 4 classifications, that is fast page mode DRAM, we also call this one FPM RAM, extended data out DRAM, in short we call this one as EDO DRAM, burst EDO DRAM, BEDO DRAM, synchronous DRAM, SDRAM. And that's all about semiconductor memories, and I'm going to create more videos on memories. I hope you guys watch it too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.